It's important to follow the care instructions given by your eye care specialist and to respect the choice of the products prescribed. Menicon recommends the multiple-purpose Menicare Soft solution for cleaning, rinsing, disinfecting, and storing your Menicon PremiO and/or PremiO Toric lenses. When removing your lenses, the massage step is very important to help eliminate dust, microorganisms, and daily deposits. Place the lens in the palm of your hand and delicately massage just with a few drops of Menicare Soft solution for about 20 seconds. After massaging, rinse the lens with Menicare Soft solution. Place the lens in the corresponding lens case compartment, R for right, filled with fresh solution, and then close the case. At least 4 hours of soaking is needed to best disinfect your lenses. Follow the same steps for the second lens. Before inserting your lenses, rinse them for 5 seconds with the Menicare Soft solution.